Welcome to our YouTube video on Mounjaro weight loss. In this video, we will be discussing everything you need to know about Mounjaro, a revolutionary weight loss program that is helping thousands of people achieve their weight loss goals. We will be covering the science behind Mounjaro, its benefits, how it works, and real-life success stories of people who have used Mounjaro to lose weight. So, let's dive in. Part 1. What is Mounjaro weight loss? Mounjaro is a weight loss program that was created by a team of medical experts and nutritionists who wanted to create a solution that was safe, effective, and easy to follow. The program focuses on 3 key areas: diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. Mounjaro is not a fad diet or a quick fix solution. Instead, it is a long-term program that is designed to help people lose weight and keep it off for good. Part 2. How does Mounjaro work? Mounjaro works by addressing the root causes of weight gain. These include a sedentary lifestyle, poor eating habits, and hormonal imbalances. The program starts with an assessment of the individual's health and lifestyle. This includes a comprehensive evaluation of their medical history, dietary habits, and physical activity levels. Based on this assessment, the Mounjaro team creates a personalized weight loss plan that is tailored to the individual's specific needs. The Mounjaro program includes a balanced diet that is rich in nutrients and low in calories. The diet is designed to help the individual lose weight while still providing them with the energy they need to maintain their daily activities. The program also includes an exercise regimen that is tailored to the individual's fitness level and goals. The exercise program includes a combination of cardio and strength training exercises that are designed to burn fat and build muscle. Part 3. The science behind Mounjaro weight loss. The Mounjaro program is based on the latest research in nutrition, exercise physiology, and behavioral psychology. The program is designed to help individuals lose weight in a safe and sustainable manner. The diet is based on a balanced intake of macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and fats, and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals, that are essential for optimal health. The exercise program is designed to increase the individual's metabolism and burn calories. The program includes a combination of cardio and strength training exercises that are tailored to the individual's fitness level and goals. The program also includes behavioral coaching that helps individuals overcome the psychological barriers to weight loss. Part 4. Benefits of Mounjaro weight loss. The benefits of Mounjaro weight loss are numerous. First and foremost, the program helps individuals lose weight in a safe and sustainable manner. This helps to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. The program also helps to improve overall health by reducing inflammation, improving hormonal balance, and boosting energy levels. In addition, the Mounjaro program helps individuals achieve their weight loss goals without feeling hungry or deprived. The program includes a variety of delicious and healthy foods that are easy to prepare and satisfying to eat. The program also includes an exercise regimen that is enjoyable and effective, making it easier for individuals to stick to their weight loss goals. Part 5. Real-life success stories. The Mounjaro weight loss program has helped thousands of people achieve their weight loss goals. Here are a few real-life success stories. John lost 50 pounds in 6 months by following the Mounjaro program. He says that the program helped him change his eating habits and start exercising regularly.